Professionally spraying for mosquitoes requires professional equipment.
Adapco has created the Monitor LT2
to give our clients the best experience possible when applying a public health insecticide from the air.
More information about the Monitor 5 and GeoTracker Pro can be found at myadapco.com.
For more information, contact your local Adapco sales rep at 1-800-367-0659.
The Monitor LT2 is a versatile and affordable system for ensuring that you have insight into all products being applied in your program. Thanks for watching.